Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some super cute dangle earrings with these skeleton cameo charms. For these earrings, you will need 2 of these Holiday Frights earrings from Blue Moon Beads. I believe you can buy this at Michael's, but I bought mine from Fire Mountain Gems, and so it was less than the retail value of $4. And when I got these, I did a haul video, so if you'd like to check that out, it will be in the iCard. So you'll need 2 of these pendants, and then you'll need 2 earring hooks and 2 jump rings. These are 4mm. And then you will need some jewelry pliers to open and close your jump rings. Okay, so our first step is going to be to take these pendants out of their packaging. Okay, so these are super cute. The first thing I'm going to do is just open up my jump rings. Okay, so I got those jump rings opened. So now I'm going to take this jump ring and put it through the jump ring that comes on the charm. And then I'm going to put the earring hook on the jump ring, and then close that jump ring up. Now I'm going to take my second pendant and put it on the jump ring. And then I'm going to take my second earring hook, put that on there too, and then close up that jump ring. There we go. Now we have these super cute skeleton cameo earrings. These are perfect for Halloween, and they are relatively cheap to make. I don't remember how much each of these cost, but I know it's less than $4. They're probably about $2 each, I think. And then for the hardware on there, you know, that's probably only a few cents. So yeah, these are super cheap and easy to make. Super great for Halloween. If you like these, make sure to subscribe so that you can see all of the other Halloween type things that I will be making. I'm planning on posting every single day in October, but I'm not sure if that will happen, so we will see. But anyways, make sure to subscribe for that, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.